Hello guys, welcome back to Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix not charging in case issue on Samsung Buds 3 Pro. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there are two solutions that you could try here. So the first solution is to basically charge the case first, then the buds. So in this case, you want to take your earbuds here out of the case and you want to plug in the charging case and basically ensure it's charging. Now you can use either a cable charger or a wireless charger here. Just make sure the charging source is working properly. Now from then on, use the Galaxy wearable app to check the charging status of the case. Now after the case is fully charged, place the earbuds back inside the case here, and in this case charge both the case and the buds simultaneously and see if that solves the issue. Now if this doesn't solve the issue, next thing you want to do is you want to maybe clean the case and buds. So you want to take your earbuds here out of the case once more, and you want to use a Q-tip or a blower to clean the insides of the actual charging slots here in the case, and also the connectors under the earbuds wing tips. So in this case, these sections here. Now from then on, you want to, or once it's actually clean, place the earbuds back into the case and charge both the buds and the case at the same time. Now, if none of this works, most likely your earbuds here might be broken, so it's best to contact customer support for this one. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Inspo. Thank you for watching.